Begin with 2 empty, clear plastic bottles and fill one halfway with water. Attach the necks of both bottles securely with a tornado tube connector or simply use duct tape, ensuring a tight seal. Explain that by swirling the water in the top bottle with a circular motion, a vortex will form, creating a mini tornado. Watch as the water flows quickly into the lower bottle, illustrating the concepts of vortex formation and centrifugal force. This experiment demonstrates how tornadoes in nature are formed, driven by temperature and wind currents, capturing the essence of a powerful natural phenomenon in a fun and easy way at home.